You're welcome once again to another fascinating math video. Now, in this video, we're presented with a sequence problem. We're required to show that the left-hand side expression is equal to the right-hand side expression. But before we proceed over to the solution of this problem, I would like to add that I render an online math tutoring service. So if you're in need of an online math tutoring service, also if you're in need of assistance in providing solutions to assignment and tests, be very free to get across to me. I've been teaching mathematics for over a decade and I have a very good experience in instructing mathematics, both the primary level, the secondary level, and even the college level. So any of these services, you are very free to get across to me, either via messenger or the email I will provide in above the video, right? Now let's look at the solution of this problem. Here it says if A, B, and C are in harmonic progression. So the first thing we need to do, we have to know what is an harmonic progression. Now it is a well-known thing that the nth term of an arithmetic progression is given by Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 multiplied by D, where A is the first term, n is the number of terms, and D is a common difference. So this formula is the nth term of an arithmetic progression. Now from this term, we can create the harmonic progression by taking the reciprocal of both sides. So if we take the reciprocal of both sides, we shall have 1 over t sub n, and that is equals to writing 1 over a plus n minus 1 d. So with this formula, we can create the harmonic progression. All right? Now, so this is the idea about harmonic progression. So let's say a is 1, for example. If a is 1, and let's say n is 2, for example, and let's say d is 5. So in this case, we shall have it as 1 over Tn, okay, t sub 2, because n is not 2, equals to 1 over a is 1, so you can put 1 here, plus n is 2, you put 2 minus 1, then d is 5, all right? And this will give rise to 1 over 1 plus 5, and that will give us 1 over 6. So this will be the second term of the harmonic progression. So 1 over 2 will be the second term of the harmonic progression. But we're not dealing with harmonic progression in detail. We want to use the idea to solve this problem, right? So I will remove this. This is the idea about harmonic progression. It's the reciprocal of the terms in the arithmetic progression, all right? Now, let us solve the problem. So we shall write what to prove. So let me write proof. Now, we can say if A, B, and C are in HP. By HP, we mean harmonic progression. Then, 1 over A, 1 over B, and 1 over C are in AP. That is, if these three numbers are in HP, taking their reciprocal will return back to the arithmetic progression. All right? Now, since we are here, since these three numbers, 1 over A, 1 over B, and 1 over C are in AP, it follows that 1 over B is the arithmetic mean of these two extreme numbers, because these are consecutive terms in an AP. So that means that the middle number is the arithmetic mean of these two extreme numbers. So by that I can write, therefore, 1 over B is equals to 1 over A plus 1 over C divided by 2. Can you see that? That is the mean of these two extreme numbers. You take the average. Then this implies that we have multiplying both sides, that is clearing the fraction. We can have this as 2 over B equals to 1 over A plus 1 over C. We are making a good progress because we have to show that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. And here we have the left-hand side as expressed as 2 over B. So at least we are making a progress. Now, what do we do next? Now, listen attentively. Now, if 1 over A, 1 over B, and 1 over C are in AP, all right? If they are in AP, then we have that 1 over B minus 1 over A should be equal to 1 over C minus 1 over B. That is, the difference will be the same. You know, in an AP, there is always a constant difference, a common difference, all right? So that means, and to get the common difference, we subtract consecutive terms. That is 1 over B minus 1 over A, you will give you the same thing as 1 over C minus 1 over B. All right? So we have this at hand already. Now we can work on each side, the left-hand side. Now the left-hand side here, the left-hand side, let me write LHF is equals to writing, you can take the LCM. The LCM of these two quantities are AB, right? The on division, we shall have A minus B. So that is so this expression you see here simplifies to this, all right? And also, the right-hand side is equal to the same thing applies. So we take the LCM of this, so we have CB, all right? So on division, when you divide and multiply, you shall have B minus C. So we are now having